A realtor from Cincinnati will sit in the nation's highest court as his lawyer asks the 9 justices to strike down the ban on same-sex marriage. And in doing so, he will be the face of a movement that could make history. Our Local 12's Anjanette Levy asked him about that in an interview you will see only on Local 12 News.
Jim Obergefell has become the face of the movement to legalize same-sex marriage, not just in Ohio, but across the country. On Tuesday, the U.S. Supreme Court will hear same-sex marriage cases from Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, and Michigan. They'll all be under Obergefell's case, Obergefell v. Hodges, since his was filed first.
I'm hopeful. I really am. I think things are moving in the right direction for us.
Nearly 2 years ago, Obergefell and his partner John Arthur were married in Maryland. Arthur was dying from ALS, better known as Lou Gehrig's disease. The state of Ohio would not recognize their marriage, so they went to federal court asking a judge to order that Obergefell's name be listed on Arthur's death certificate. He won, but the state of Ohio appealed. Arthur passed away, but the fight continues.
Working to fulfill my promises, to live up to my promises to him, to love and protect him and honor him, it keeps him alive. I get to talk about John. I get to talk about our relationship. So it's kept him alive. And I think it has helped my grieving process.
Obergefell knows his name could one day appear in the history books if the justices rule in his favor. But he's most concerned with the document that the state of Ohio will have on file for John Arthur forever.
My hope is that come June, I never have to worry about John's death certificate, his last official record as a person. I don't want to worry about that ever changing.
Jim Obergefell says he and his husband knew that this case could impact a lot of other couples, but it was also a very personal decision for them to file this case. Obergefell says he's been comforted by the number of people who've written to him and sent cards, and he's even had people just come up to him on the street and hug him,
wow,
you know, consoling him and wishing him well in his journey.
Well, and clearly this is something that could have national implications. Does he believe that, and how does he feel about that?
He does believe that, and he's only seeking to have the state of Ohio recognize his marriage that was performed in Maryland, but he believes and hopes it could have broader implications than that, and he believes that the Supreme Court could actually strike down Ohio's ban. We're going to have to wait and see, because the state of Ohio, of course, is fighting that, and there will probably be a lot of people there fighting that as well on Tuesday.
All right, Anjanette, thank you.